welcome to my channel Eng.Sayyad Academy. Today we are going to learn about third topic, technical characteristics of transmission assembly. Before we learn two topics, which is in transmission lineup and basic operation principle of transmission. So today we are learn thoroughly what are the technical things inside the transmission, what are the gear ratios, what is the torque, what is the power output, what is the recommended oil, what is the recommended quantity, and what are the made up steels. Everything we will learn one by one for all the categories of transmission. Yalla, let's go. The dual clutch transmission suitable for compact to medium and large passenger vehicles. This transmission is used for suitable for what? Compact, medium and large. Compact, hatchback type. Medium, it's a sedan and large station wagons, taxi type. This kind of vehicles it can be used, not heavy vehicles. The maximum input torque is 380 Nm. You can see QR 730 BHA. 738 means 7 speed, 380 Nm torque. QR cherry. Net weight is 81 kg. This is 81 kg weight, excluding weight of dual mass flywheel. Flywheel is excluded, only the transmission. Wet dual clutch. This is a wet dual clutch type, and it provides 7 plus R, 7 forward, 1 reverse there. And speed ratio range is greater than 6.89. Speed ratio. Start and stop function and extended stating function are supported additional. This is same thing, the micro hybrid system. Next, the technical highlights how the first gear until 7th gear, the gear ratios, different gear type. This is 300 Nm torque, 7 speed, 380 Nm torque, 7 speed, different gears. What are the gear ratios? It is mentioned here one by one. And the clutch, the wet clutch is integrated inside the transmission. Dual wet clutches integrated inside the transmission. And transmission oil type, Pentosine FFL7A, oil quality Kunlun DTCF 7S. 738 different and 730 different oils, different oils, 7A and 7S. Transmission oil capacity for the 730 DHA 4.225 liter plus minus 0.2. If you are filling 4.25, okay. If you are filling less than 4.25, 4 liters also enough, no issues. For 738, 6.5 plus minus 0.2 liter. For this is 6.5. For 730D, this is 4.25. Shift lever position, PR and DM. This is normal, same like auto transmission. Case material, cast aluminum. It is made up by cast aluminum. Complete body of transmission. Next, the next continuously variable transmission technical highlights. The throttle body responds quickly when accelerating. In CVT, how it works? When throttle body responds quickly when accelerate. When you push the gasoline pedal, the throttle body responds immediately because it is completely controlled electronically. We have a APP, accelerator pedal position sensor. We have a TP sensor, throttle position sensor. It controls both. It is controlled by whom? ECM, and it has a immediate action because it's controlled by electronically. Acceleration is smooth and gentle with no sense of impact. Acceleration will be smooth and gentle with no sense of impact. When you accelerate the vehicle, it means you are moving the vehicle in speed. The speed increases automatically. TCU and ECM communicate each other and decide which speed the vehicle is moving, what is the engine speed, and which gear we have to shift. And while shifting, the process of shifting, it will give the shift shock in automatic, but here it will not give any shift shock. It automatically changes, and it will allow you to move more speed and change the multiple gears up like this. Improve overall vehicle efficiency and reduces fuel consumption. Increases overall efficiency and reduces fuel consumption. CVT plus side, advantageous side is it is increase fuel efficiency and reduce fuel consumption more. It is good. And simple operation, there is nothing complicated, simple operation. And driving comfort is improved, driving comfort is more improved, because you will be relaxed by the transmission and there are no jerks and nothing, you will feel comfortably drive the car. Okay. Independent hydraulic circuit control is adopted to provide the accurate operating pressure for each system, greatly improving system efficiency. Independent hydraulic circuit control, independent separate channel is provided and accurate operation pressure for each system, greatly improving system efficiency. It is greatly improving system efficiency. Latest steel belt is adopted to further increase of speed ratio, range and improve the transmission efficiency. Which belt? Steel type belt is equipped inside, adopted inside to further increase the speed ratio, range and improve the transmission efficiency also. And hydraulic torque converter adopts the heat capacity lock and clutch. What kind of converter? Hydraulic converter, torque converter adopts high heat capacity lockup clutch, high heat capacity. It has a range of heat. It controls beyond that range also. Add oil deflector, reduce the churning loss. There is an oil deflector inside the torque converter. Why it is used? To lose the power. Okay, it gives a proper power transmission to the from engine to transmission. Oil deflector is there inside the torque converter. External hydraulic oil filter. Oil filter is equipped in CVT where? In oil sump, inside the oil sump, one. Another one is with a transmission body, two filters in the CVT, right? Next, these are the parameters of CVT. You can see the CVT 025, 018. There are no, 0 means in CVT we cannot count the gears, that's why they mentioned 0. 25, 250 Nm. CVT 018, 0 is there are no gears. Okay, same like a scooter without gears. The car with no gears like this. Vehicle, motorcycle with no gears, it is mentioned. The four-wheeler with no gears. 180 means 180 Nm torque. The dimension left, length, width and height of transmission, it is mentioned each different. Pulley speed ratio 0.38, alternative 2.69. It can varies. This 180 0.396 and 2.526. And final drive ratio is 6.8, 6.7, nothing much difference in that. Control method, electronic hydraulic control, both are same, 18 and 25. And central distance 197, 190. Maximum input torque 250, 180. 250, 180, it is meant 250, 180. Solenoid valve 5, in 180 also 5 solenoid valves. Simulated gear positions 9 gear, 9 speed. Simulation only, you cannot feel that one, but it is 9 speed. Transmission oil type CVTF, WCF1, both are same. The transmission oil quantity 7.3 plus minus 2, both are same, both gears are same. Shift lever position, PR&D and manual mode. There are two options for you. There are automatic type and manual type, you can try in both transmission. Case material, cast aluminium, and the weight, both are cast aluminium, and the weight it holds 85 kg and 75 kg. This is 10 kg lesser than the 250 Nm CVT. Next transmission is automatic transmission. How the automatic transmission technical highlights? It adopts compact and lightweight 8-speed automatic transmission with an advanced electronic control system. It adopts compact, lightweight, 8-speed power transmission and with an advanced electronic control system assembly. The featuring of Simpson, the manufacturer who made this automatic transmission. There are two manufacturers. One is Simpson and Ravigne's combined planetary gear set mechanism. And there are 8 forward gears and 1 reverse gear in automatic, 8 speed, 1 reverse, 8 forward and 1 reverse. It adopts a high precision hydraulic control system for the clutch. Because automatic transmission works by how? The oil pressure pushes to clutch plate to engage and disengage, and brake plate control the jerk and shift shocks in between that to shift the gears smoothly and more efficiently. Transmission characterized by smooth gear shift and quick response. The clutch plate is equipped for smooth gear shift and quick response, and the transmission is equipped with the planetary gear sets, disc, clutch, brake and torque converter with locking function. The transmission is equipped with planetary gear set, disc, clutch, brake and torque converter with locking function. The transmission has 2 sets of planetary gear to achieve upshift and downshift, namely. There are 2 sets of planetary gear set, primary and secondary, front planetary gear set and rear planetary gear set. For what it is? To achieve the upshift and downshift, namely the front planetary gear set mechanism and the rear planetary gear set. There are 2 planetary gear set. And clutch and brake are hydraulically engaged and disengaged. Clutch plates and brake plates inside the transmission, it engaged and disengaged by hydraulically. The oil pressure will go and push the clutch plate to engage the gear. Brake plate also same. It is also operated by hydraulic. The transmission does not have an oil dipstick. There is no oil dipstick in transmission. Instead of oil dipstick, what they give? They give 2 drain plugs. One is a drain plug, another one is sleeve type, tube type Eng inside. Why it is given? It is to correct the oil level, to correct the oil quantity inside the transmission. Okay. Instead of an overflow tube integrated into the drain plug, you can see overflow tube integrated in the drain plug is used to check whether the oil level has reached correct position or not. Whether the oil level is reached the correct position or not. What is the gear type? This is QR 840 AHA. QR 840 AHA, QR Cherry, 8 speed, 400 Nm torque. AHA means automatic transmission. DHA means DCT. CHA means CVT. MHA means manual. HHA means hybrid. Next, technical parameters of automatic transmission. Maximum allowable engine torque is 400 Nm torque. It's 8 speed 400 Nm. 400 Nm torque. And maximum allowable engine speed RPM 6500 RPM. In 6500 RPM, this vehicle reaches 400 Nm torque in gear. Drive weight 94 kg, all-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive vehicle. Oil filling amount 6.6 plus minus 2, all-wheel drive for 4-wheel drive vehicle. And central distance is 197 mm. Length, width, height 397, 578 and 403. These are the gear ratios until 8 gear and reverse gear and final drive. These are the gear ratios per each gear. You can see here. Next, the third is hybrid special transmission. The key highlights of technical highlights of hybrid transmission, it has integrated dual motor integrated design, high efficiency, small size. This is very compact in size. You can see here, very compact, 130 hp, 351 hp. Okay, this is very compact in size and more efficient and small, high efficient and smaller size. Driver efficiency more than 97.6%. The drive efficiency, it gives a performance of driving 97.6%, is higher than 97. It means almost reaching 100% also, maybe, if the driver is driving in eco or comfort mode. It adopts a dual oil pump plus dynamic oil storage technology. It adopts dual oil pump inside and dynamic oil storage technology. There is a dynamic oil storage technology upside and downside. Energy saving and fuel saving, smooth and comfortable. This is because of what? This is because of this dual oil pump and dynamic oil storage technology. It saves the energy and fuel and less fuel consumption, and smooth and comfortable drive. Pure electric total sound pressure level. This is pure electric. You cannot feel anything, any noise, any sound from the transmission shift or any, nothing. Will not feel anything. Level 75 decibel low noise. 75 decibel low noise. IGBT double-sided water cooling. There is a water cooling channels inside to cool the transmission, double channels. Quad-core dual control MCU. There is a control unit, quad-core, which is all fitted on. This is fitted on the transmission MCU. Next, this is the technical parameters for DHT. There are 1 DHT and 3 DHT. 3 gears, 1 gear, like this. Type of motor, permanent magnet synchronous motor. This second 3 DHT, permanent magnet synchronous motor, same. Both motors are same in both transmission. Rated voltage 350 kilowatt and 345. Rated voltage is volt, 350 volt and 345 volt. Sorry, I have mistakes. Rated power, how much power it generates? EM1 70, EM2. EM1 is 60 and EM2 is 70. EM1 motor 1 60 kilowatt, EM2 means motor 2 is 70 kilowatt. In second transmission, motor 1 45 kilowatt, motor 2 50 kilowatt. Rated power generation. Peak power, last how much? It's last end power 100 kilowatt, motor 1, 150 motor 2. In this transmission, in 3 DHT, 120 first motor and 110 second motor. Rated torque, how much torque it generates, creates 80 Nm torque in motor 1 and motor 2 140 Nm. In second transmission 120 Nm and 110 Nm, or 170 Nm torque, 220 Nm torque, first motor, second motor. And rated speed per minute 4775 RPM motor 2, 3581 motor 2, 4341 motor 2, motor 1, motor 2. And peak speed, maximum speed, how it is work? 16,000 RPM, the motor speed, maximum speed. And 6300 RPM motor 1, 13,000 motor 2 RPM. Next, for watching my video. For more videos for the technical issues, technical knowledge, study, anything you want, please subscribe my channel and please comment, share, like. And in case you have any curricular issue, please contact us through comments. We will ready to help you out. Thank you.